We're trying to figure out the current price of a towel, and we have $120 to spend. So the number of towels sold times the price will give me 120. But something happens. Price increases by 1, and when that happens, you sell 10 fewer towels. But you're still spending $120. Now remember, X times P is 120. So I've got an equation here with two variables. I'm going to multiply out the left-hand side. X times P is XP. X times 1 is X. Now distribute the minus 10. Minus 10 times P is minus 10P. Minus 10 times 1 is minus 10 equals 120. Now look what happens. I can replace this XP with 120. 120 plus X minus 10P minus 10 equals 120. I want to try to get rid of X eventually and just have an equation with P in it. Now the 120s cancel. So you're left with X minus 10P minus 10 equals 0. Now what are we trying to solve for? We're trying to solve for P. I wish I had another XP where I could substitute in 120. And what I can do that by multiplying both sides by P. And that gives me XP minus 10P squared minus 10P equals 0. And XP, of course, is 120 minus 10P squared minus 10P equals 0. So now I have an equation with just P in it. Now let's write this in the correct order. That would be minus 10P squared minus 10P plus 120. I'm writing it in decreasing order by exponent. Let's divide every term by negative 10, and that gives me P squared plus P minus 12 equals 0. And this equation will factor into P plus 4, P minus 3 equals 0. And that means you set each one of these equal to 0. That gives you P is negative 4, which you can't have a negative price. P equals 3 is going to be our answer.